let's talk about how every farm and homestead is different.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
Your farm and homestead is different than mine and everyone else's for two main reasons. Your environment and your acreage is specific to your farm. And every landowner does things differently. You do things your way. For these two reasons alone, that makes your farm and homesteads unique and specific to you and your family. So because of this, I want you to be proud. I want you to be proud that you have succeeded, that you have figured it out, that you have taken something that is unique from everything else in the world and succeeded in making it yours and succeeded in making a successful homestead. You made this work. You made this work for you. You made this work for your family. You made this work for your kids. You are successful homesteaders, and you should be super proud about that. You may still need to figure out some things. We all do. Every day I learn something new. But be proud that you have already learned so much and you have already came so far. No one else has a farm like yours. No one has a homestead like yours. Not everyone does the things you do, and you don't do everything that they do. And that's okay. That's awesome. And that's amazing. And that's what makes the world go round, is you being different and unique in your farm, being different and unique in your homestead, suiting your needs and making sure that you're provided for, and you making sure that your homestead provides those things for you and your family. Be proud of yourself. Share your thoughts with me. I would love for you to tell me the ways that your homestead is different than mine. Please put your thoughts, your comments, your stories, your photos, your videos, and whatever you want to share with me down in the comments below. Share this video with your homesteading friends, with your chicken tender friends, with your husbandry friends, with your gardening friends, with your farming friends. Share it with all your friends. Oh, and your family too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get weekly and sometimes even daily homesteading videos. And give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you next time.
Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.